What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at my undisclosed filming location from a long time ago. It's been a while since I've been up here, but today is a very special video. So if you pay attention to my Instagram and my stories and my Facebook stories, you know that a certain car is no longer my possession. That is right. Let's have a moment of silence because I sold the Bossmaro. The Bossmaro is no longer in my possession. So, moment of silence, hats off to the 2015 V6 Camaro I used to have. I had a lot of fun with that car and I really didn't want to get rid of it, but I found a deal on a car that I've always kind of wanted but never thought I'd get. But when I saw this deal, I had to jump at it, right? So without further ado, I gotta reveal the new car. This is going to be the first look, and then all the pictures and stuff will go up after this video. So this is the first look you have at the new Boss vehicle. Now I'm still working on names, and it is a V8. It's an automatic, so you can give me shit for that. I don't care. All I wanted was the V8. It's an LS1. If that doesn't give it away already, so let me go ahead and text my girlfriend and let her know to bring it up. Alright guys, so moment of truth, I just sent the text, so she should be coming. Oh, here it comes right now. You guys should be able to see it in the background. That's right, I have a new C5 Corvette. It has a Corsa catback exhaust already, an aftermarket intake. Give it some revs! So yes guys, this is my new 2004 C5 Corvette. It has 44,000 miles. It's a 4-speed auto, and it's just look at it. It's awesome. So I think this is a worthy replacement for the Bossmaro. I hope you agree. My channel name will still be the Bossmaro channel because Camaros will always have a special place in my heart. But I gotta admit, guys, look at this thing. Look at my Chevy Corvette. It's awesome. We got the chrome wheels, Corsa catback exhaust. If you don't believe me, it does say Corsa right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's Corsa right there. Now there's some things I want to change, things I want to do to it, some mods I want to do, but it's awesome. And my favorite thing about it, it's that LS1 V8. So let's get behind the wheel. Let's do some driving. All right, so here we are in the driver's seat. Now, like I said, this is a 2004, so not a lot of fancy stuff that cars nowadays have. I mean, you got steering wheel, no buttons or anything on the steering wheel, and you got your controls on the headlight stock here, cruise control, fog light, trunk open or hatchback release or whatever. Got your wiper nozzle, there's the key, this awful stock radio, climate controls, all that stuff. Gauge cluster, you know, standard Corvette interior. The back, the roof, which is removable. So that's going to be awesome. Once the temperature is raised and it gets a little bit hotter, we're gonna drive this thing all around with the roof off. I've done it already in the cold like a dumbass, and my head was so cold I had to pull over and put it back on. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it any longer. But I'm about to hand the camera off, and we're about to just drive it in this parking lot, this empty parking lot, and get some good rev clips and some roll shots or whatever. You know, we're just gonna film and have a good time. Alright guys, that about does it for the reveal of the Chevrolet Corvette, my new car, a 2004. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was getting those glamour shots, man. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy the car. A lot of content coming with this. I already have the next video planned. It's everything I don't like and everything that's wrong with the Corvette. But anyway, leave a like, subscribe, and it would mean the world to me. We just recently hit over 100 subscribers, and I'm trying to keep that number going up, providing great content for you guys. But anyway, leave a like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, take care. Yeah! God dang Corvette.